Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. This is the trailer for the exclusive tutorial for Patreon patrons only for the month of April. And for this month we are doing the wide modified Pulsar. So nice wide bracelet for those of you who like that type of bracelet style, and we did some nice detailing, but of course you'll see it all in the video. So remember, if you want to get access to this tutorial and previous exclusive videos, you can support me on Patreon at the $3 per month level or more. And for that you get also the previous benefits of the other tiers, like access to the Patreon feed as well as monthly giveaways. So as always, huge thank you to all my Patreon patrons. You guys are making a huge difference for me, and I really appreciate that. Won't take up too much of your time here, but yeah, this is the video. I hope you guys will like it. And if you're not a Patreon supporter and you would like to, support me there, help this channel go on, all the links to my Patreon will be in the description box down below, also up in the corner. And for those of you who need access to the video, if you're a current patron, remember the link for the exclusive video will always be in the description box down below, but you will only be able to access it, of course, if you are supporting me on Patreon. All right, so that's it. Hope you guys will like this month's video and stay tuned for more. All right, thank you for watching guys. See you on the next video.